Are tinnitus haunting you? Are they ruining your life and your mental health? It's time for you to say enough. We present an innovative product that will solve your problem. Quietum Plus, the breakthrough in ear health. In a world filled with noise, the value of silence cannot be overstated. Yet, for those grappling with persistent ear health issues, the symphony of everyday life can become a challenge. If you've been on a journey searching for a remedy that genuinely addresses the root cause of ear health problems, your quest ends here. Scientists have uncovered a revolutionary method that doesn't just scratch the surface, but delves deep into the intricate connection between your ears and your brain. The hidden link between your ears and brain. Recent research has unveiled a new perspective on ear health. It's not merely about the ears. It's about a complex network inside your brain connected by a delicate wire transmitting electrical signals and sounds from your ear cells. When this wire is damaged, the harmony between your ears and brain is disrupted, resulting in hearing problems. Traditional remedies often fall short because they don't tackle this internal wiring. Quietum Plus, a natural symphony for your ears. Enter Quietum Plus, a 100% natural solution meticulously crafted to harmonize your ear health. Unlike anything you've ever encountered, this formula promises to be your partner in restoring not just your hearing, but also the tranquility of your mind. Imagine experiencing a quiet and peaceful moment every day, hearing your own thoughts, and finally unwinding from the constant buzz of life. The power of nature packed in every capsule. Within each capsule of Quietum Plus lies a bespoke, proprietary formula featuring 18 high-quality plant extracts. Let's delve into the key ingredients and their potential benefits. Mucuna pruriens and maca root. Potential support in managing inflammation. Calming effect on the nervous system. Aids in neuron recovery and repair. Epimedium and tribulus terrestris. Balances neuroinflammation. Defense against free radicals. Significant mood-enhancing properties. Dung Qua. Superior ear tonic. Maintains the health of brain cells. Assists in improving auditory acuity. Muirpoma and ginger, strong antioxidants. Guards against free radical damage. Supports nerve renewal and growth. Catuaba powder and damiana promotes a healthy balance of blood circulation. Neuroprotective qualities. Contributes to brain health preservation. Ashwagandha and piperine. Strong adaptogens. Enhances mental attentiveness. Slows the process of cell degeneration. Sarsaparilla root and asparagus. Assists in detoxifying the nervous system. Safeguards nerve tissue health. Potential boost to cognitive performance. Vit A, Vit B, and zinc. Enhances auditory acuity. Maintains the health of neuronal connections. Supports the body's immune response. L-tyrosine and L-arginine. Maintains balanced blood pressure levels. Substantial mood-enhancing properties. Mood-boosting qualities. Quietum Plus, beyond the buzz. This natural formula is not just a product, it's a symphony of health benefits. Imagine the joy of enhanced auditory acuity, the peace of mind from a healthy nervous system, and the profound impact on your cognitive performance. Quietum Plus is designed to detoxify, regenerate, and rebuild the delicate wire connecting your ears and brain. Why Quietum Plus? Natural formula. Crafted from nature's finest, Quietum Plus is a blend of high-quality plant extracts, vitamins, and amino acids. Free from synthetic additives, it provides a natural path to ear health. Easy to use, incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine is seamless. A simple capsule is all it takes to kickstart your journey to better ear health. Non-GMO for those who prioritize clean, natural living, Quietum Plus is free from genetically modified organisms, ensuring that you're putting only the purest ingredients into your body. No stimulants. Unlike some solutions that rely on stimulants, Quietum Plus works gently and does not disrupt your natural rhythms. Say goodbye to jitters and crashes. Non-habit forming, formulated with your well-being in mind, Quietum Plus is designed to be non-habit forming. It supports your health without creating dependencies. Gluten-free, ideal for those with dietary restrictions. Quietum Plus is gluten-free, catering to a diverse range of health-conscious individuals. Your journey to serene hearing begins here. Quietum Plus is more than a product. It's a holistic approach to ear health. It's about reclaiming the quiet moments, enjoying the melody of life, and nurturing your overall well-being. Say goodbye to the struggles that have echoed in your ears for months or years. Embrace a life where the symphony of silence becomes your daily reality, and your ears and mind exist in perfect harmony. Don't let hearing problems be a barrier to the richness of life. Choose Quietum Plus and embark on a journey to rediscover the joy of sound and the tranquility of silence. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description and discover Quietum Plus.